So the reason I'm going fast is like you don't have to break your heads on it. You just have to remember that there is a Twitter Bootstrap framework and you have to use it. So it's pretty simple. Once you start implementing it, once you start working on website using Twitter Bootstrap, eventually you will pick it up. So you need not worry about that. So that's an overview. I'll just if you guys have no questions, if you guys say no questions, I can go, or else I'll just stop here. Questions? Arun, you here? Taufik, any questions here? No? Taufik, I know you say no. Fantastic. So can I ask questions? Yeah? Well, fine. So let me just go ahead and start a poll here. So meanwhile, you guys freshen up if you need something. Here, a question for you guys. So no cheating, okay? You just have to answer it on the fly. Well, oops, what happened? You guys can see it, right? What I'm typing, the poll. Can you guys see it? Because I shared my screen. Hello? Let me just stop it. Maybe. Okay, fine. Now I stopped it. So let's see. So yeah, I'm just publishing. So you guys have to answer it real quick. You don't have much time. So yeah, I mean, I was like, I thought like this won't be showing up on your side, but yeah, fine, no problem. Let's see if you guys answer the question. Yes. Okay. Taufik, what's your answer? Okay. So I don't know the question. Okay. Well, right. So the answer here, since you guys both guys answered, I hope there are only two students, so you guys know who picked what. Okay, the answer is option number 4, which is background attachment. So you can fix a background image using background attachment. Background attachment has two values. One is scroll and one is fixed. Whereas background position here, Taufik, is about where do you place your image? Do you place it on the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, center, center? Okay, so that's where the background position is used. Alright, so that is the poll. Good one, nice job there. Okay, so no problem. Yeah, Taufik, you got something to say? Oh, the answer is background attachment. I did tell. We don't see the response. Response of whom? The other person's answer. You mean to say? Oh, really? I just shared the result. Maybe say I'm on the teacher's side, so I don't know what's really happening on the student side. So that is about. Let me post one more question. Let's see what you guys can see. Okay. Mm, okay. Hmm. So let me just finish it. It's a tricky one. Okay. So just and again I'm saying just don't go anywhere. Just be on the class and answer the question. I'm just saying it does not mean that you guys cheat, but I'm just saying. Okay. That's not an offense. And really fantastic. So yeah, let's see how do you guys answer this question. Come on. So I'll just read out the question. If I have to move a box left side 100 pixels from its current position, what is the best way? Okay, and the options are do I have to use position absolute left 100 pixel, or position fixed left 100 pixel, or position relative left 100 pixel, position relative left minus 100 pixel, position absolute top minus 100 pixel. Oh, that's not top actually, that's left. I'm sorry. You can, if you choose the fifth one, that means position absolute left minus 100 pixel. Okay. This is So Arun, what's your answer? 2. Freak 3. Okay. So do you guys want me to share the results to see your respective answers, or shall I just keep it like this? I'll share, no problem, no transparency. 2 by 5. 2 or 5 you mean to say? Okay. Just fine. Can you guys see now the results? I mean, I just published them. Yeah? Can you guys see? So Arun picked 2 and Taufik picked 3. Arun picked 2. Yeah. So can you guys see the result? So well, the answer is option number 4 actually. Okay. So it's option 4. So position relative left minus 100 pixels. So I'll tell you a small trick here. How do we find out this? Okay. Now I said from its current position. Okay. Whenever it says from its current position, it's relative. Always it's relative. Now when to use minus and when to use plus? If I say towards something, So if I say towards top, towards right, towards left, towards bottom, so if it's towards it, then it's minus. If it is away from it, then it's plus. Okay, imagine the box, the layout as a graph. Okay, now the coordinates are move it from its current position. Okay, like towards left. So what we guys do? Okay, now the point is, I'm just closing this poll and I'll write it down to make it better. So let's say this is the graph here. Let's say now the current location of this box, let's say it's here. This is its current location. Now I want to move it 100 pixels towards left side, I said. So it means like it says like, move it, this is left, right, so move it this way. Okay, so what will be the coordinates now? It will be always subtract minus something from this so that it moves towards it. Oh, you can't see now this here. Can you guys see it now? So this is the box, this is its current position. I want to move it towards this side. I said towards left side, right? So towards left side, what do? I subtract that distance from its current position. So subtraction is always minus. Okay, so that's the trick when you use something like that. So relative is always tricky. I always feel this, like so when to use negative, when to use positive, what happens. So remember this, like if you want to move, now let's say if I want to move towards right side, okay, and I don't know its current position, so I can't really add. If I want to move it 100 pixels toward right side, I can say minus 100, that's fine. But if I say towards left, yeah, left 100%, I'm sorry, yeah, I don't know. So if I say away from it, yeah, add it. If I say towards, minus, away, plus, towards, minus. Okay, this is the trick over there. Fine. Okay,